press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Bus, and today we have Ashim Gulati with us, and you have seen him in Karna Sangani. So what do you want to say about your new show and what will be your character about?
Hostages is my new show, as you all know,
Yeah.
and my character, it's a really interesting group of characters that we have on the show. दो तरह के लोग हैं इसमें. एक जो hostages हैं और दूसरे जो इन लोगों को hostage ले रहे हैं. मैं बहुत ही कम बताने वाला हूँ इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में, because the more I talk about it, the more you'll sort of read into it and sort of start thinking about it, and I don't want to give anything out because it's so gripping and it's so connected and it's so like it'll be unfair if I say anything. But in short, if I'll have to put it in a couple of words, I'll just say that about my character is just there's just times where you're not prepared for certain situations in life, and you're thrown in the deep end, and you throw yourself in the deep end knowing that it can go either way. There is no right and wrong, there is no good or bad. You'll see in the show this, it's quite contradictory, but at the same time you'll like the characters. You might hate some characters, but overall you'll just feel more and more connected with the characters, because it's the dysfunctionality of it. There are times when you'll be like, I connect with this character so much, and yes, if this situation would have happened in my life, तो मैं क्या करता या मैं क्या करती, it's just like the certain nuances which you really like, you want to like the whole reality of the way we've portrayed it. It's amazing how you could feel connected to this show. So it'll just keep you very, very intrigued and at the edge of your seats for sure.
Okay, what special preparation you have done for this character, or what the challenges you faced during the shoot?
Special prepare. I mean, we weren't over prepared. We definitely had our days where we were doing our workshops with Sudhir sir and the entire cast. We went quite deep into the characters in terms of the detailing of every character and unleashing and preparing for the role in terms of doing the background, the character sketch and all of that. So we did all of that. We did a fair share, but I think most of the action took place on set, because there were times when we told ourselves that we're not going to be like, it's not good to be over prepared anyway. So we were prepared pretty much, but we also had so much faith in our director Sudhir sir, because we knew that there would be times when he'll just be like, dude, unlearn, don't come up with too many things. Go with what your character is, stick to your character, and then everything that'll happen will gradually unfold. Let your character sort of do the unraveling and unfolding. So not a lot.
Okay, what do you like about this web series? Now, why you said yes for your first web series, debut in a web series? Mm-hmm. What was the main thing you loved?
See, it actually was pretty easy, because I'd seen Hostages, the Israeli show, and it's critically acclaimed. It's an international hit. It's an absolutely amazing show that these guys have come up with. The storyline is completely it's so gripping. The characters that those guys have, each and every character in Hostages has such beautiful layers to it. And then plus the cast, I felt the cast and the crew, our director, firstly I couldn't it would have been stupid of me to say no to somebody to work with Sudhir Mishra sir, because he just just comes up with, he's a really, really interesting character, and it's interesting sort of a person to work with. His intellect and the way he approaches cinema, I feel it's amazing. So I definitely would have regretted saying no to this. And plus working with Iska ma'am, Ronit sir, Praveen sir, Surya, Anangsha, Malhar, the Chauvin who's played Chauvin. He's a great young kid who's come up, and so yeah, it's just like I didn't see any reason. It was completely. I just saw the show and it's so gripping, and I'm just like it'll be difficult for anybody to compare it with anything, and it'll be wrong. It's not right. But I feel that we are just going to come up with this show and bring our own flavors and our own essence about this show. Even though the whole uska flavor वही रहेगा, but to adapt it into the Indian for the Indian market, for the Indian audiences, I think it's a pleasure that we're a part of this, and it's going to be a lot of fun and very intriguing.
So how much pressure is there for this show? No, your previous show, Karna Sanghani, did well in TRP market. So is there any pressure in this? Pressure is there in this?
I'm not one to take any pressure. I don't. All the pressure that I take is, I take it out on my characters. If there's anything, that's my job. That's where my job ends. Whether the success or the failure of anything, and the pressure of that is not something that I should take, and I don't, because it's not in my control, and if anything is not in my control, then it's not fair for me to dwell into it, because I can't really do anything about it. As far as Karna Sanghani is concerned, yes, it was low on the TRPs. I had a great time shooting it. I learned a lot.
So what do you think? What was the one thing went wrong? Why Karna Sanghani fails to bring with a good content also?
See, it was definitely an experiment that we did by doing something, making something for the masses, where you're doing like a contemporary take on Mahabharata. Mahabharata it's a period drama. There's the ardent Mahabharata fans. It's a very bold step to sort of step in that kind of a space where you're trying to play with the audiences and see if they like it or they don't, and putting in a lot of money. So definitely, I'm grateful that Shashi Sumit and the production thought of me as Karan, and gave me the opportunity to do it, because it was a big one, and I felt like the reason maybe why it didn't work was because you're doing a contemporary take on it. The ardent Mahabharata fans would not want to possibly toy around with certain characters. Most of the Mahabharata characters weren't there in the show because it was Karn's love angle. So it's difficult for the audience to take in so much, and especially when something's done so beautifully back in the past, to toy around with it. It's bold, so it could go either way. It didn't go in our favor. It's hard luck, but I still am very attached to what I've done, and I've learned a lot. And you live and learn, yeah.
So how much you love doing a web series? So what is a comfortable level you feel in television or a web series?
Everything has its own comforts and discomforts. Television has its own pros and cons. You do things not knowing what's going to come out of it, but that's the trust that you have in a character or a show, or your directors, or just people in general, or your choices. At the same time, I feel that Karna Sanghani has its own, or television, or what I did in the past has its own, had its own vibe, where I was okay to do that, and I was enjoying that. And now I'm doing a web series, which is, again, I saw the show and I was like, wow, dude, that's an amazing show, and it's so gripping. So I'm like, let's do this. It was interesting enough for me to sort of pick this up, and that was interesting enough for me to pick it up at that time. So I don't see. I prefer actors, man. I love what I do, and I feel that I'm just gonna keep doing the kind of work that intrigues me and interests me, and just play as many wild and interesting characters that I can, and that's my job.
Okay, what message you want to give to your audience?
So we're coming to take you hostage as the team of hostages on the 31st of this month, and I feel you'll really enjoy it. It's an extremely gripping storyline. It'll keep you on the edge. It'll keep you want to know more. It'll make you want to shut your eyes at times and open up and be like, what's happening? So it's just it's interesting, man. Like I'm very excited for you to watch it. It's been a while that we've shot for it, and now it's finally out. It's our baby, and I can't wait. And so shouldn't you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very
you.
much.